In this video, we will learn how to lock cell in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet, and here I'm going to lock some cell in this sheet. So here I have some cells data, and I'm going to lock this rate per unit cell of range. So I select a cell of range and go to the data tab and click on the protect sheets and range. Okay, then here the select the first option range, and you can enter here description also. I just enter here don't edit. Okay, the range is selected C2 to C12. You can see here the C is a column, 2 is a row, and up to 12. Okay, so click on the set permission. Then here I select the first option in the range editing permission. Show a warning when editing this range. So click on done, and it's done. Now when someone edit here, suppose I am going to edit this cell, so I enter here 700 and I just press the enter key of the keyboard, and you can see the message is pop up. You are trying to edit the part of this sheet that should not be changed accidentally. Edit anyway. So don't show this again for the 5 minutes, and just click on okay. So this is a message pop up on here when you lock the particular cell, particular range of cell. So this is a way you can lock your cell here, and the warning message will pop up when someone in edit on this locked cell or locked range of cell. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.